Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? Okay, so this is a talk through video as to how I get my loose ends nice and silky. So basically what I've just done was taking my twist tied down. My ends are already loose, but I'm kind of not pleased with them because this was a rush job that I did with these particular braids. My ends kind of look a little nappy, and I really just don't like that, those little struggly ends. See that? That looks awful. So I'm going to go touch it up. I'm going to clip some of the ends, and then we'll go from there. So what you'll need to accomplish silky ends, of course, you'll need a towel, yes, or a t-shirt, whatever you choose. I forgot, y'all, gotta take these earrings out. Also what you'll need is some water. Now, I prefer to boil mine, but if you got a tea kettle, then you can use that too. See that? Yeah, hot water. Okay, so next step is I'm going to section my braids. Now you can section your braids in as many sections as you prefer, but for me today, I think I'm just going to section my braids into two sections, right and left. So meanwhile, I'm going to take a twist tie to tie down the section that I'm going to do last. And then this section will be the section that I'm actually going to start off with first. So I'm kind of just running my fingers through and just showing you guys how horrible this hair looks right now at the ends. Okay, you guys, so come with me to the kitchen. I know I misspelled kitchen. Please forgive me. My water looks like it's hot and ready to go, so I'm going to turn the eye off. And I'm going to go ahead on and proceed to dip my hair in the boiling hot steaming water. And keep in mind, the steam from the water is very hot, so be extremely careful when doing this process. We're going to do the same thing with the second half. We're going to dip it into the dark water. I'm sorry, the hot water. Try your best not to get your face too close because the steam is like seriously, dangerously hot. Yes, see that? I just dip it, and you dip it as many times as you need, but be quick because you do not want the water to get cool on you. By the way, if you've made it this far in the video, if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, that bell's notification, and added bonus, give your girl a big thumbs up. Let me know you're supporting me on this channel. Okay, you guys, so the next step, we're going to just kind of take the towel and towel dry the ends of the hair because you don't want to get all that water on the floor. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to use some mousse. And basically I'm just trying to set the ends, trying to keep everything nice and silky on the ends. By the way, stalk me on Instagram if you're not already following me there. Okay, you guys, so basically this is just what my hair looks like, long and silky. I'm loving it. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll see you tulips in the next video. Smooches.